Hey guys, welcome. Today we're going to see how we can create Flash USDT using the latest Solidity code. This code isn't like the other scammy ones floating around the market. It's been tested and it has generated USDT for me before as well. Let's take a look at the code. Here's the genuine link to the code. I'll also paste it in the video description. This code isn't like the outdated ones circulating in the market. You can see it's built with the latest version of Solidity. Now, let's take a look at the user guide info. It says that testnet transactions will fail because they don't carry any real value. The max amount of USDT that can be minted from this contract is 1 million. This is the conversion ratio from ETH to USDT. You can use it to calculate how much ETH you'll need to mint the amount of Flash USDT you want. It also requires you to hold a minimum balance in your wallet to prevent misuse of the USDT faucet, basically to stop repeated use. The minimum required balance is 0.15 ETH. Let's check if we have that in our wallet. Perfect. We have just about 0.15 ETH. Now, let's copy this code and paste it into Remix. Create a new file and name it USDT. Just make sure you've copied the full code. All right, now we need to compile the contract before deploying it. Go to the Solidity compiler section and click on Compile USDT SLO. If the compilation is successful, you won't see any errors and a green check mark will appear. Now let's deploy the contract. Head over to the Deploy and Run Transactions section. From the environment dropdown, select Inject Your Provider, MetaMask, and connect your MetaMask wallet. Your MetaMask wallet balance will be displayed in the Accounts section if connected successfully. Now click on Deploy and confirm the transaction. Also, remember to round up your max fee to the next highest integer to ensure the transaction goes through smoothly. Yep, and finally our transaction went through and the contract has been successfully deployed. Now let's take a look at the functions available in the contract. The generate flash function is used to mint flash USDT. The set trade balance function requires you to input the amount of ETH you want to spend to generate flash USDT. And the key function will generate your unique API key needed to run the process. Click on Key to generate your unique API key. Copy the API key and paste it into the value field. Now, in the set trade balance field, enter the amount of ETH you want to use to generate Flash USDT. I'll enter 0.15 ETH, which should give me approximately 100,000 USDT. Now, the final step is to click on Generate Flash and confirm the transaction. And yes, the transaction went through. Now let's check the balance in MetaMask. And yep, we've successfully generated around 100,000 Flash USDT. You can use this USDT on gambling sites like Stake, as well as on binary options trading platforms like Quotex. This code is meant purely for fun and educational purposes, and it should never be used to scam anyone. Use it responsibly.